Hello friends, this is Bhargav. Today I'm going to unboxing the new mouse, which is the Quantum wireless mouse. I got this from Paytm Mall. So let's see, unbox the package and see what we have in the package. Let's start. There we go. Let's put package in the side. There we go. What we get the mouse here. As you can see here, this is the wireless mouse. As you can see, specifications are here, right here. It has a 2.4 GHz radio frequency, working fast. It also has the resolution button here. Okay, then it is the USB mouse, wireless, and it requires 2 AAA batteries. Okay, so here price mentioned is 475, but I got it in only rupees 277 on Paytm Mall. After applying cashback, I got it only in rupees 249. Let's further unbox it.